Hello friends! Is your engine losing power, struggling with acceleration, or showing a check engine light? If your scanner displays P0327, this means your knock sensor isn't sending the right signals to the engine's computer. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious engine damage. In this video we'll cover what P0327 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0327? P0327 stands for Knock Sensor 1 Circuit Low Input, Bank 1. This means that the knock sensor on Bank 1 is not detecting engine knock properly or is sending a signal that is too weak. The powertrain control module uses this sensor to adjust ignition timing and prevent engine damage. If the sensor fails or malfunctions, the engine won't adjust timing properly, leading to poor performance, fuel inefficiency, and possible long-term damage. Common symptoms of P0327 include the check engine light being on a lack of power or hesitation during acceleration and engine knocking or pinging sounds. You might also notice poor fuel economy, rough idling, and possible misfires. In some cases, the engine may even enter limp mode to prevent damage. If you ignore this issue, it could result in severe engine damage over time. The knock sensor is usually located in these areas. Bank 1, typically found on the engine block, cylinder head, or intake manifold near the first cylinder. You should also check the wiring harness and connectors for any loose, corroded, or damaged wiring leading to the knock sensor. If the sensor and wiring are fine, a PCM issue might be causing the error. Common causes of P0327 include a faulty knock sensor, which may be failing or sending weak signals. Wiring issues such as loose, corroded, or broken wiring can also cause poor signal transmission. Engine carbon buildup can lead to excessive carbon in the combustion chamber, causing abnormal knock readings. Using low octane or bad fuel can result in knocking. Lastly, a PCM malfunction may prevent the proper processing of knock sensor signals. How to fix P0327? First, scan for additional codes like P0325 or P0328 that might indicate related issues. Next, locate the knock sensor and inspect it for damage or contamination. Then, check and clean the wiring harness to ensure there are no loose or broken connections. If there's excessive carbon buildup in the engine, clean it to reduce false knock signals. Use higher octane fuel if your car requires it. If the problem persists, the PCM might need reprogramming or replacement. Finally, clear the codes and take a test drive to confirm the fix. A faulty knock sensor can lead to poor performance knocking sounds and even serious engine damage. Fixing P0327 will help your engine run smoothly, improve fuel efficiency, and prevent costly repairs. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos: P0312, Cylinder 12, misfire detected, and P0313, misfire detected with low fuel level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.